Today on Sparky'sAnswers.com we're going to check out a complaint of a blower motor noise on a 99 Chevy Lumina. Let's turn the motor on to see. Yes, there's a little bit of noise there. A little bit more. Getting pretty bad. Oh yeah, there's a bunch of junk in that blower motor. Guess we'll have to pull the blower motor out now. Okay, we got to start by getting this hush panel out of the way. I've got a good tool for doing it to pull these clips out. That's what the retainer looks like. If you don't have a tool, you can't actually get your fingers around it and pull, but your fingers got to be pretty tough. There's several of them around here. We'll get them all. With the clips out of the way, the phone rings. Pull it out and get it out of our way. We're going to move the glove box out of the way so you can get a better view of everything. And we have a light wire here that we have to get out of the way. Push that in, rotate it around, and now we can get the glove box completely out. And there's the blower motor. There are 3 screws that hold it in place. This particular one, and most of them will have 7mm heads on them. We remove the screws and unhook the harness connector. Okay, the screws are out, the harness is disconnected. Let's see if we can get this blower motor rolled out of here. Yep, you can see a pile of leaves in there, all right. You just got to kind of rotate and pull until it comes out. Sometimes you need to flip the carpet back out of the way to get it out. And there's a pile of leaves. It's amazing that many leaves can get into one car, but they park it underneath the tree. I was able to get the blower motor out with the carpet in place. It's much easier putting it back in with the carpet pulled back, as you can see. Probably would have been easier to take that bracket down, holding the relays in place also. This one screw is pretty difficult to get to, and I had to use a universal socket to give me the angle to get to it. Now that all 3 screws are in place, we're going to go ahead and plug this motor up. Alright then, we're all back together. Let's try this blower motor out and see how good it sounds. Oh yeah, everything normal. Sounds just like a normal blower motor. Guess this one's done.